travel nila from...
Ang ilang ganun yung pizza. Part pa lang pizza pa lang.
Wala ko.
Ladies and gentlemen,
White lang agwarm.
kahit tagal kitang hinintay, the love story of George and Leithea. A musical
Papasok na yun ang...
wedding celebration.
Then play. Yeah. Mag-invocation.
No part host.
Diretso sa...
Please all rise for the invocation.
After sila,
Oh, ma-emote
It's
pa.
not where you go,
Ma-emote ka pagit.
Nagabi ko,
it's who
Ay,
you travel with.
Mahuyabi siya ka, mahuyabi kami kay host Cheryl.
George
Kaya ang standard, bara dito.
and Leithea.
Hindi na kami intro, wala hindi na. Hindi na kami intro.
then after that, mag-dread ka, sir. Then music, papasok ka.
Okay, saglit lang. Wala na yung count, tak, tak, tak. Tanggalin na natin. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome. Doon na part.
So after gits na, magbe-bed music si sir, papasok si Ma'am Cherry, si Miss Cherry.
Then,
And then, pag after introduce prod, number 4. Sige na, sir. Ilan yung mga songs, choices nila.
wait lang. Sir, may seconds pa yan siya bago magtapon sa first lyrics niya. Kasi together with the production team, ito powerhouse singers. Ito, sir.
Pagkatapos mo sa powerhouse sings,
Dira siya masulod.
Ay, amo na ni.
Yes.
Kasi intro ko pa eh. For
Yes.
example, ang last line ko kasi sa intro ko is, this is the wedding reception of Leithea and Joe Art, our Mr. and Mrs. Ligada, together with the powerhouse singer.
A musical wedding celebration. Please all rise.
I want to change the world only for you. All impossible, I want to do. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the wedding reception of Leithea and George, our Mr. and Mrs. Legada. Ladies and gentlemen, together with our powerhouse singers.
And I'll be yours until the stars fall from the sky.
And Mrs. Ligada.
Ako ay handa nang tumapak sa lupa.
Tapos ng paghihintay, nandito ka na, oras ay naiinip ng dahan-dahan. Pag-ibig ang muling makapagbigyan. 1, 2, 3, smack kiss. Kiss. Alright, thank you so much.
Ako'y sobrang natutuwa. Bakit? Dahil pinagsama mo kami ng aking guro 15 years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to give shout out to Sir Ryan Gazo. Ayan, siya ho ang aking voice coach 15 years ago. And now ko lang siya nakita sa wedding day ninyo. And together with Sir JM Frias, isa sa mga pinapangarap kong event organizer yan dito sa South Cotabato. Thank you so much. This is our first time to work together. To all